Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here inside Awesome and we've got the RS3 of Evil GTs on the dyno. And I suppose what we're really here to see is what this car's going to do. So, we have just had a little bit of banter with these guys. We've just had some figures. I ended up having to take the highest figure because everybody else had gone low. So I think I'm waiting for Audi really to come through with this and have a high figure. So I've gone with 421, I think. Not sure what the guys have got, but we're going to go over and speak to them. But this is the first time, obviously, we've had one on the dyno, so it's a stock car, obviously, and we want to see what it's doing. So let's go and interrupt Bill and Ben and see what's going on. Bill and Ben, man.
All right.
How are we doing? Right. Welcome to the channel. So we're here.
Thanks for having us.
Carl's eventually managed to get this on the dyno.
Yeah.
We've had a little bit of banter of who's going to do the figure. I've ended up with the highest figure, so I've gone with 421.
Which is good. We're happy with
You
that.
went with?
I went with 420.
Forget that, put the heat, it's freezing in here. all the money he makes here,
I know.
you can't even afford to put the
He's
heat
put 20p in the meter, what's up here?
Look, you see we're quite empty today. There's no staffing.
That is true.
Tavi, you went with?
I went with 415.
415. Right, so we're going to get to action and we're going to see what this baby does on the dyno. So let's go for it. So as you've seen, that's it, dyno's done, figures are in. Obviously I've got higher expectations than obviously you guys because I lost completely. So he didn't do 421, he didn't do 415.
Definitely didn't do 415.
Where's your smug face, Tabs?
You know what, how can you cheat a dyno run?
I know, yeah.
How can you say, oh it's going to be 408 and then get 408?
to manipulate dyno and stuff.
Not by the throttle.
Can we have a go and do it? Next time.
You want us to run the
Because I'm sure he got to 408 and he just went off.
He knew when he hit that,
Yeah.
he could see the wheel thing and he's like, damn, I'm out, all out. That's what he did.
So I'm getting the breakfast this time. Brilliant.
Right, we also, you guys, who wanted to do the 50 run by the way?
It's just for shits and giggles, isn't it?
So we tried to do a 5th gear run, but as you can imagine, it takes longer to get up in the
Generally with 5th gear
power.
boards, they tend to make more power, more torque.
But this suffered from heat soak, didn't it?
Yeah, cars like this, that, even going back to the previous generations, tiny intercoolers, they're not sufficient enough.
So it takes longer to get up, obviously, because it goes up to 60 mile an hour.
There's more load, more heat, and it's all.
So tell us what happened. Came up to about, I saw you get to about 130 mile an hour.
Yeah, it just heat soaks and de-rigged power, so
you
it
pulled out the road. So we couldn't get. So
it would have done.
You know now that this platform is.
I think the 5th gear would have.
Definitely would have done the 421.
So between me and Ben, I won.
What? And just to point out, the 408 was the best.
I was closer.
Yes, it actually did a 405,
402 and a 4 flat.
The second run was the best actually.
Again, all to do
the
with.
second run on the dyno that was actually the best. It did the 408 and then it was done.
It's all to do with obviously just getting hotter and hotter in between the runs because the intake air temps are recovering as well as they would do if you had a better intercooler on.
So is that first project then? Helping someone to design a new intercooler for it?
To be fair, I'm looking at part numbers, it's probably not that different between the previous.
The old one?
There's a lot of things that I think are going to fit from previous generations straight onto this one.
Right. Don't neg me out, mate. It was 60 grand. Tell me it's exactly the same as the other one.
Did we mention the Newton meters?
Oh yeah.
560.
560, yes.
560 newtons.
Which is 60 more.
Super strong that.
Yeah. So
Super strong.
it didn't make on the power, or will we shoot on the power like the
I mean, but this is up. This is. I mean, it's not where I want it to be, but it's up on what the stock figure is that
They say 395, 500 new meters is what Audi's
say like 10 horsepower and quite a lot of torque.
But you can fit like in the drive. You've only driven it 4 up, haven't you?
Yeah,
but in the drive, you're on your own. You can definitely feel that extra bump. Definitely.
So that's it. So Tabby wins.
Well, he's trying to say he wins out.
But whoever wins does buy something, don't they?
I think it is buying
Everyone's
breakfast.
always buying Tabby stuff, but they haven't.
Alright.
It's just eating a bag of sweets. Right, anyway, we're out of here. Thanks very much. We just, as I said, just wanted to see what this car was going to do, because we've both got new ones on order down here, as you know. So, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It's only a quick video. Press the ding-a-ling. Thanks to Evil GT. Thanks to Tabby. Thanks very much. Peace out. See you later.